Hey you guys, this is the second day of our daily grammar practice this week. If you recall from last week, our second day, we underlined the subject once and underlined the predicate twice. Remember, the directions can always be found in the speaker notes below this slide. We still have the same sentence from yesterday. The dust particles are actually tiny scales. So in order to find our subject and predicate, we need to remind ourselves what is a subject. Well, a subject is what the sentence is about, and the predicate is the verb that the subject is performing. If you recall from yesterday, our verb is are. So are, actually tiny scales, is going to be our predicate, our entire predicate. And you can add your lines in using the button I just selected, and you can make them thicker if you would like. Dealer's choice there. And actually, I'm just going to copy and paste that again. So we've underlined our predicate twice. What the subject is performing in this case. I don't want to say the word doing or the verb it is the action it is doing, because in this case, if we recall from yesterday, are is not an action verb. We can't are. It is a linking verb. So what actually are tiny scales? We can ask ourselves that question in order to discern or figure out our subject. Well, what are actually tiny scales? Well, the dust particles are the tiny scales. So we will underline the dust particles, which is our complete subject, just one time, and that completes our day for DGP. In the next coming weeks, we'll start to identify the simple subject and the simple predicate and its tense as well. But for now, we will just stick with identifying the complete subject and the complete predicate. All right. Be sure once you finish this, you can share with me by pressing the share button in the top right corner and typing in my email. Otherwise, if you just want to do it on a piece of loose leaf and take a picture and send it to me, that is totally fine as well. All right, yeah, you guys have a great day. Bye.